In this video, I'm going to show you 10 websites every web designer needs to know about. Number one is tinypng.com. Now with tinypng, we use it to compress image size. Okay, so if you have a large image, you can use tinypng to reduce the size. Okay, so let me show you how it works. Okay, so you can click here and then select your image. So you just click here and then choose your image, and tinypng will go ahead and compress this image to a smaller file size. Okay, you can click here to download this file, and this is good when you want to upload images to your website. You know, you are not supposed to upload bigger files to your website because it may load slow. All right, so that's the first one, tinypng.com. The next one is gtmetrix.com. Now with gtmetrix, you'll be able to analyze your website speed and load time. Okay, so you simply paste your website URL here by typing, let's say, https, and put your website name here. So example, let's just say google.com. Good, and click on test. It will go ahead and test your website and tell you its performance. Okay, so right now it is analyzing your URL. Perfect. Now look at Google. Google is performing 100%. Okay, and that's good. That means Google is fast. Okay, that's not a doubt. Google is fast. Okay, so that's gtmetrix.com. The third option is whorank.com. Now with whorank.com, you can enter your website address here and then click on check my site score, and it will give you SEO analysis of your website. Okay, the things you need to do to optimize your website when it comes to SEO, that's search engine optimization. So it will give you a report about that. So you simply enter your website address here, click on check, and then it will do that task for you. Go ahead and check whorank.com. The next one too is freepik.com. Now with freepik, you'll be able to get free assets when it comes to web development. Something like logo, markups, background, vectors, images, illustrations, photos, templates, fonts, and a lot of things you can talk about. Okay, so all you need to do is to search for whatever you are searching for or you're looking for, and then you have it here for you. So that is freepik.com. The next website on my list is whatwpteamisThat.com. Now with whatwpteamisThat, we use it to spy on people's websites, especially WordPress websites, to know the kind of themes, plugins they are using to build their websites. So let's say you want to build a website which looks similar to someone's website, and you know for sure the website that you want to model is a WordPress website, guess that you don't know the theme they are using. So you simply copy their website URL and then paste it here. After that, you click on search, and it will go ahead and tell you if this website is a WordPress website. After that, it will also tell you the theme they are using, the plugins they are using, and everything about that website. Okay, so let's wait for whatwpteamisThat.com to process my link so that I'll show you what I'm talking about. Perfect. Now with this website, it is currently using a theme called Astra, and this is the link to the Astra theme. So you can go ahead and also get that link, that theme to build your website to look like the website here. Okay, now scrolling down, you can see everything about. The next one is the what plugins, and that is Elementor here. Good. So this particular website is very good if you want to model what people have done. Use that as inspiration. Okay, so that is the next website. What WP theme is that? The next one is flaticons.com. So if you're looking for free icons to use on your project, then flat icons is an option for you. So you can flat icons, click on icons, and then get your icons. Okay, and you can download these icons for free. All right, but they also have premium options. All right, so that is free flaticons.com. The next one too is w3school.com, and I hope you know this one already. That's w3school.com. I've used this platform to learn web development. Okay, so with w3schools.com, you can click here, tutorials, and it will give you a list of tutorials regarding any language you want. So this one is HTML and CSS. We have JavaScript option, programming, that's Python, and a lot of programming languages, server-side languages. Okay, now let me take you back, data analytics. Now let's go back to the top. So we'll click here. Perfect. Now we have references. So after clicking on references, it will give you some references regarding in language. Okay, so the first one is HTML. So you can click here to read more about HTML tags. Okay, if you're confused at any point, you can go here as reference or use this as reference point. Okay, so that is it. And we have CSS, JavaScript, and other things here. And we have exercise area. If you want to examine yourself, you can go to the exercise area and then take some quiz and try your knowledge, okay, and see how it is. And you can go to videos to watch videos about coding. Okay, so let me take you back to the home page. Now let's say you are not familiar with a certain HTML tag or any programming language syntax. You can simply enter it here. So something like underscore, blank. Okay, so blank. Let's say you don't know what this does on a website, and then you click on search. It will go ahead and give you suggestions and tutorials or explanation regarding this particular inquiry. All right, so the first one is a tag. All right, so attribute value description, so you can see it here. Good. So they will define what that tag does on a website. Okay, so this is a cool website for you to exploit. The next one will surprise you. The next website will surprise you, and that is, guess it, youtube.com. okay, so with youtube.com you can learn free courses, okay, programming courses for free. Okay, so right now you can see 3-hour course here on YouTube. I even know of a course that is up to 24 hours teaching you a certain language. Okay, so YouTube is also a useful resource, and you are watching this video on YouTube, so already you know about YouTube. Okay, so let's go to the next one. So the next one too is cssbattle.div. So with CSS Battle, what this is, okay, this does is that actually it's full of games, but in the form of learning and its focus is CSS. Okay, so CSS battle, you can go ahead and then play a CSS game with someone. So you can choose battle here, but make sure you sign up and log in. Okay, so on top here, choose battle, and there's a battle here already in progress. Okay, so is it this battle, this 20 hover battle? So this is a game. You click on it to, and it's talking about hover effects, right? So by now it's a game you play, and but in the form of coding. So you're coding to solve this problem. Okay, and this one is also in progress. All right, so you can join at cssbattle.div to learn, take CSS to the next level. Okay, now the final one in my list is drawkit.com. okay, so with drawkit you can get a lot of assets, something like illustrations, icons to build your projects. All right, so that is drawkit.com. Hey guys, I hope you liked the video. Now, if you are a freelancer, you have any sort of digital skills, I have good news for you. Now, a website called hoodly.com is currently looking for a lot of freelancers, sellers this year to sign up account on their platform and start selling your services. I'm a seller here on Hoodly, and in the description of this video you can see my link to Hoodly, to my services. Okay, so in case you want any of my services, you can go ahead and then click on my link, which will take you to Hoodly, and it will display my services. And if you need any of them, go ahead and purchase. I will appreciate, I would like working with you. Okay, so that is it guys. All right, and if this is your first time here on my YouTube channel, please remember to subscribe to the channel. That way anytime content like this is released, you are notified. Okay, I'll see you later.